Hello! Namiss kita. Charot. Namiss ko mag-vlog. So today, sa Tuesday pa, we're going on a trip to Canada. Charot.
Hello! My hair already good.
Yeah. Who cut your hair? Me?
This girl.
This
Yeah.
girl. Your mother? Your mother cut your hair?
My bag is this one.
Yes, you are assigned to that bag, okay? You have to take care of that bag, okay? Okay, very good. So,
Are we going on Tuesday?
yes, see you on Tuesday.
Bye bye. See you on Tuesday.
Hey, you help me, you help me.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, this one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hello. In Changi Airport. Look. It's Changi Airport.
Yes.
We're in Changi Airport. Okay, see you on an airplane. Where's the straw? Hello. Mom.
Yes. Pick up.
What are we?
Pick up.
What are they? Oh, yeah, I can see them. It's so slow.
Okay, good morning guys. Today is September 30 and today is the day that we're going to
Canada.
Yes, we're going to Canada today for my sister's wedding. Dahil probinsya yung pupuntahan natin, we will be flying from Singapore to Vancouver and then we have a 14-hour layover bago mag-fly ulit to Halifax. Ang bilis kasi ng mga pangyayari. After check-in, kumain kami ng breakfast kasi according to my parents, twice lang kakain sa loob ng 14 hours na flight. So, nagbaon kami ng konti and of course, we bought earrings na pasalubong para dun sa friends namin na imimit namin sa Vancouver. Kasi sa Vancouver, lalabas kami para mamasyal to maximize the 14 hours. By the way, hindi kami nag-lounge dito kasi gusto naman namin ma-experience ang lounge sa ibang lugar. So sa Vancouver na kami magla-lounge before we fly to Halifax. So magkaiba ang time zone. Alis kami dito ng 9 o'clock ng September 30. Pagdating namin ng Vancouver, it's going to be 8:30 a.m. of the same day. So parang walang araw. And then we will spend the day at Vancouver with our friends. Ayun. So, it's our first time and we're so excited. Let's see kung anong mangyayari sa trip na to. But yes, I'm excited to vlog this trip dahil first time namin pupunta ng Canada Finally, it's happening. Time check 8:35. Our flight is 9:10 and wala pa yung airplane. Wala pa. It's a bit gloomy outside. Pero sana wala namang maging aberya. We pray for a smooth flight. We pray for protection upon the airplane, the aircraft, the pilot, and may God's hands and protection be upon us. So yun na muna. Guys, we'll see you in the airplane and in Vancouver. Bye!
Bye-bye. I'll see you in Canada or in the airplane. Bye-bye. Hello.
29. Brent.
Hello.
Hello, finally boarded. So anong amenities ng economy flight? Unan. Kumot. That's all. And then may pa-TV. May pa-TV, buti naman. Welcome.
Hindi na tayo kumuha
Nang
headset.
ay, meron ako. Ay, kukunin ba?
I don't know. O, ibibigay nila.
Ko alam eh. So, ayun na nga.
Ang baka nandito.
Legroom.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. From that flight, take your captain speaking.
Medyo masikip.
Order Canada Flight 20.
Medyo masikip. Mas maluwag sa SQ, no? Mas maluwag yata sa SQ. Pareho lang.
Parang maluwag na.
shortly.
Okay. So, looking forward to this flight. 14 hours. Let's go.
It's our pleasure.
Time check 10:20 a.m. Singapore time. The first meal of the day. First meal of the flight. There are only two choices. Chicken or veggie rice. So, syempre, we chose chicken. So, ito na siya. May shrimp, pasta, water. Ito yung tinapay. So si Brent hindi daw siya hungry pero kinuha na rin namin for extra. Kasi I heard 2 times lang kakain dito sa flight na to. So let's eat. Gano'ng kalaki yung pagkain?
Nabito ako sa mga farmer.
Ano?
Mga farmer. Patukat, kating.
Siguro.
Tinapihan nila yung
Chinese neighbor.
But one more.
Later, after.
Anong chicken barbecue?
Gusto mo ba? Sana.
Hi, something to drink?
Coke. Coke, please.
Coke? And for yourself?
With ice. Same.
Coke? Anything for him?
You want anything?
Apple juice? Apple juice?
Coke? Oh, your nails are so cute.
No, thank you. I made it.
You did it?
Yes.
Let me see. Wow.
I do my
I
own
wish I had that talent. I can barely keep mine alive.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Is there ginger ale?
Yeah.
I have ginger ale.
Sure.
With a little bit of ice. Do you have
Sorry?
ice? Do you have
Ice,
ice?
of course.
Thank you.
For next drink.
Hello guys. So so ang haba ng flight, di ba? I'm watching this movie, Confessions of a Shopaholic. So dito makikita rin kung ilang oras na tayo within the flight, which is 11 hours to go. Congratulations, guys. We made it to the 4 hours. I know 3 hours pa lang pala. We are 1/3 of the flight. And time check 11:37 Singapore time. So ang oras sa Vancouver ay 8:37 PM. May investigasyon pong nangyayari dito. Wow, may pa-spotlight. Lumiliwanag ang buhay. Charot. So, ayun nga. 11 hours na lang, guys. 11 hours na lang. Wow. So, ayan, natulog na si Brent. Inantok na. Ako, tatapusin ko muna siguro ang isang movie. Tsaka ako matutulog maya-maya. So, kanina, review muna natin yung yung pagkain. Mic ka din. Ha? Mag-mic, bigyan ko rin siya ng mic para naman ma-utilize natin to. Sir. Test mo nga. Test.
Hello.
So, sir, anong masasabi mo sa pagkain ng Air Canada?
Masarap naman yung salad.
Kala ko wala ka masabi. Long pause. Maliit eh. Para kalahati lang ng kamay ko yung food.
Yung okay
Portion.
na rin. Oo.
I-compare natin sa Philippine Airlines, Qantas, Singapore Airlines, and Air Canada. So far, yun na yung mga nasakyan namin. I-rate mo. Anong first?
Ano mga ano yung 1 to 10?
Ano?
1 to 10?
Hindi, sa apat na yun, ano yung least? List muna.
Hindi masarap
Air
yung
Canada.
sa pal eh.
Alin? Pal? Di mo gusto ang pal? Sige, opinion mo yan eh.
Ha?
Opinion mo yan eh. Gamitin mo yung mic.
Ano ba pagkain natin sa pal?
Okay naman. Malaki, ibig sabihin, malaki naman yung portion niya compared dito sa Air Canada. Sige, ako na muna. Sa apat na yon, in terms of food, siguro magiging list ko is Air Canada. Second list is PAL. Third is Qantas. And then, syempre, the best pa rin ang Singapore Airlines so far. Ngayon, we are still 3 hours within the flight. Siguro maaga pa para i-verdict. Charot. Verdict? Parang wala namang ibang way para makapunta ng Canada kundi ito.
Sarap naman yung tofu ha.
Nag-enjoy siya doon sa tofu. Para siyang sizzling tofu ng Max.
Oo.
Kaya lang kasi malamig kaya hindi ko na kinain. So, yon. Ano pa masasabi natin? Pinili pala namin tong pinakalikod para 1, malapit sa toilet kasi toilet na to, and 2, makaka-recline ka ng maayos. So yan, naka-recline na kami nang walang naaabala, di ba? So isang tip yan for long haul flight. Piliin nyo yung malapit sa toilet at yung pwede ka mag-recline na walang naiistorbo. So ayun na nga, first stop natin is Vancouver. Then we will have 14-hour layover, which is i-maximize natin. And advance thank you dun sa friend namin, sila Javoy and Yesh, the cruise family, na ipapasyal kami sa Vancouver. So ayun, looking forward to that. Looking forward. Nga, tapos ko na muna yung movie pinapanood ko, and maybe later I can sleep. Kasi pagdating namin doon is 8:30 ng umaga of the same day, September 30 pa rin. So yun, first time natin ma-experience ang jet lag, and let's see how it goes. So ayun, later guys. Hindi mo na ako mag-mic, malapit ko na lang. So we discovered na pwede ka palang umorder ng drinks and it's for free. Yan. Wait, please. Lasingan na po. Wait lang natin.
Johnny Walker whiskey, New York. John. The Baileys.
Thank you.
And the Coke. Some ice here. Coke. Enjoy. My pleasure.
Cheers.
This one's omelette. So one more omelette or noodles?
One more
One more noodle.
Noodle? Okay. This one's the noodles. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Okay guys, good morning. Good morning from the skies of Canada. Yan, kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast, and I think that's the last meal of the day. Of the flight. So we're almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. Hinga lang. So, konti na lang. And maglaland na tayo. Hindi yan tulog, pero nagpapatapik. So, time check. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. Canada time. I mean, Vancouver time. Sa Pinas is what time? Singapore is what time?
Gabi.
10:40 p.m. Ayun. So, jet lag, here we come. Then, nakatulog naman ng konti during the flight. And I hope we have enough energy to maximize our layover dito sa Vancouver, which is around 14 hours. Siguro yung last 3 hours, i-suspend na lang namin sa airport lounge while waiting for our next flight going to Halifax. Yun. So, it's been a long journey. Charot, long journey. It's been a long flight. Ganito palang feeling. Di naman ako nainip. Nainip ka ba? Hindi daw.
Puro tulog ka eh.
Eat, sleep, toilet, repeat. Eat, sleep, toilet, repeat. So yun lang magagawa mo sa 14-hour flight. Ay, tapos pala kanina may snacks. Pero ikaw yung pupunta dun sa likod. Meron silang vegetarian sandwich, mga cookies, coffee and tea, and all kinds of drinks. Pero ikaw yung pupunta dun sa likod para kunin yung snacks kung gusto mo. Tapos, from time to time, may nag-iikot na stewardess para magbigay ng water. Siyempre, nakaka-dehydrate nga naman when you're up in the air because of the pressure of the airplane. Wow, may explanation. Sabi ko nakaka-dehydrate kasi kapag nasa airplane, kaya from time to time merong naglilipot na stewardess para magbigay ng water.
Iba kasi yung pressure.
O, kasi nga pressurized yung yung airplane. So, ayun. We'll see you in Vancouver. Nasa kabila yung sunrise. Reflect yung
Ganyan lang ha? Ganyan lang. Yan.
20 minutes. No, 6 minutes. Oh. Daddy, what was a monkey fire to take the plane last You're not sure? They take the ass.
Welcome, Canada. We're here.
Where's the elevator?
Oh,
This is so cool.
yes, it is.
Boeing 7879. So cool.
That's huh?
Very cool.
Yes.
Very cool.
Daddy, pwede mo ba ito patong dyan? Thank you. Ay! Go, go, go. Huh?
With Canada.
S'il vous plaît. Comment allez-vous?
What are you saying?
I'm speaking French.
You know French?
A little bit, a little bit.
A little bit. A little bit.
All passengers. Go, go, go faster. Naman. Daddy want to go toilet.
There's a benefit. I saw that. It stains your body. And it also stains body. Like last week. Ew!
We will find the toilet.
What
No.
if you have a
No, I want to pee now.
Gee, me too.
Go!
The bus goes automatic. So,
See you outside. It's so peaceful here. So peaceful. Pastor, so peaceful in Vancouver.
oh, it's not like
Tawid. Tawid, tawid. Lakad pa kaliwa. Malamig na. Islamig. And I'm Lopat. Islamig. What? That's the MRT. That's the MRT, Brent. LRT lang ba? Sorry. Ingatan. Ayun o. Nakita ko na yung shiny. Joke. Pamag. Sorry naman, hindi ko naman lang tinanong kung may pasok ka ba o wala. Ninong.
Marunong ba ito mag-Tagalog?
Kaunti.
Kasi akin hindi.